Hi, this is Jake Delano with this week's Onshape Tech Tip. With no install or download required, accessing your CAD data in Onshape is as easy as going to cad.onshape.com, typing in your credentials, and getting immediate access to your data within seconds. But did you know that there are even quicker ways to get to Onshape without typing in cad.onshape.com? Add cad.onshape.com as a bookmark to your bookmark toolbar in your preferred browser. You can even add the bookmark without a name just to have the Onshape logo in your toolbar. Additionally, with some browsers like Chrome and Firefox, you can create desktop shortcuts on both Windows and Mac machines. This will give you an icon in your taskbar which will lead directly to the Onshape login page. Stay tuned for the next Onshape Tech Tip. Thanks for watching.